Hindi po yung madalian, many months ago. However, we're not sure if we'll be winning bidders. Kasi bidding process yan, di ba? So those that submitted bids, ina-assess na po kung maayos yung kanilang mga sinubmit na textbooks. Kung may pumasa sa bidding, magkaka-textbook tayo sa school na. Okay? That's why it's very important during the training, we really focus on our curriculum guides. Kasi narinig ko si Sir, sinasabi ni Sir na yung curriculum guide, coded, di ba? In-explain ko yata yun sa video kahapon, di ba? Coded yung curriculum guides per competency. So, yung pong iaakyat na, at saka may mga nakaakyat na materials dun sa LRMDS portal, coded din po lahat yun. Kaya po, kung maghahanap kayo sa LRMDS, itatype nyo yung curriculum code sa search function. Tapos lalabas doon yung mga instructional materials na related dun sa competency na yon. However, pwedeng bungi-bungi. Kunyari, hindi lahat ng competency may katumbas na material. So, ang trabaho ng Bureau of Curriculum Development is magdagdag. So, mag-upload ng mag-upload. So, for example, huwag sana mangyari, magpalagay na mag-fail yung textbook call. Pag nag-fail ang textbook call, what we need to tell our teachers, and please tell this affirmatively, is for them to go to the LRMDS portal and use what is there for their classes. Malinaw po? Okay. Second, pag talagang walang nangyari, kasi pag nag-fail yung textbook call, magko-call ulit, di ba? Maghihintay ka kasi ng dalawang fail bago ka makapag-negotiated bidding. So, contracting. So, kung talagang mag-fail siya, ang gagawin natin, kung ano yung nasa LRMDS, yun ang ipapaprint natin. So, para na lang siyang compilation ng mga worksheet. Tapos, pag nakuha na yun naman ang ipapabidding for printing, and yun ang i-distribute sa schools. No? So, yan yung strategy na napag-usapan na namin ni Brother. Pero ako kasi, hopeful talaga ako na magka-textbook tayo from the private sector. Kasi hanggang hindi tayo nagkaka-textbook from the private sector, hindi nila tayo titigilan sa dyaryo, di ba? Kasi kailangan kasama sila dun sa negosyo kasi nila yon, di ba? Basta naman maayos yung textbook nila, bakit naman hindi natin sila gagamitin? The second thing I have to tell you has to do with the LAPG and the NAT6. Napuno kasi yung Facebook ko ng 1,001 tanong kung talagang postponed kasi dahil po ako lang yung nakasign dun sa advisory na postponed yung LAPG at NAT6. Hindi siya inakyat sa DepEd website. Kasi ang inaakyat lang po sa DepEd website pag si Brother yung nakapirma. No? Oo, kasi kung hindi po, daming laman nun. So, it's true that it is postponed. And the reason, and the one and only reason, is failed bidding. Nag-fail yung bidding ng LAPG tsaka NAT6. So, it's undergoing bidding again now. So, ang administration niya sa June. Okay? So, ang mga comments sa akin ng mga teacher, bakit daw ganun? November pa siya nagre-review. Sabi ko sa kanya, sino ba nagsabi sa'yo mag-review? Ang trabaho mo, magturo ng 4th quarter. Diba? Nagsasacrifice na ng 4th quarter sa kaka-review para sa NAP. No? So, it's very important na malinaw yun that there's no need to review if you are teaching properly and if you are covering your curriculum content, and of course, if you are teaching children test-taking skills in the process. No? So these things need to be communicated gently, affirmatively, no, positively, because we have to stop this practice of reviewing for the NAP. The grade 10 is going to be system assessment, sampling based. Pero also later na. Kasi nag-shift ang assessment system. Hindi lang po kasi curriculum ang nagbabago. Pati assessment system nagbabago. Nabasa nyo naman yung DepEd Order 8, di ba? Nagbabago yung assessment to more formative. mas important yung formative assessment kaysa sa dun sa mga minsan lang na exam, di ba? Gusto natin yung assessment every day and every week. So, yun yung 2 messages. Pasensya na kayo, tumatakbo ako pupuntang airport kasi may pupuntahan pa po rin akong training sa Makati. So medyo mabilis yung dalaw ko sa inyo dito. So there. So linilinaw ko lang, no. Hopefully we will have textbooks in schools, but the focus really is for you to have a walkthrough and a good understanding with your teacher trainees for the CGs and LRM.